Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to save money on WorldRemit fees. So let's just get straight into the video. First, we need to understand how WorldRemit fees work. So WorldRemit makes money through two main avenues: transaction fees and exchange rate margins. Transaction fee is a fee charged for the transfer, which varies based on the amount sent, destination country, and payment method. When it comes to exchange rate margin, WorldRemit adds a small markup to the mid-market exchange rate, the rate that you see on Google. So key takeaways on cost: no hidden fees. Costs are displayed upfront. Payment type varies cost, so fees can vary. Generally, bank transfers can be cheaper, while debit credit card provide faster delivery. So in order to go ahead and save money on WorldRemit, you want to compare payment methods. Like debit credit cards are usually faster but might carry higher fees. You can also choose mobile money cash pickup for urgent needs. Mobile money transfer are often instant. You can also monitor exchange rates, compare with alternatives, and use promo codes. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.